right here would be like driving in fog.
Well, we don't have to keep the screen anymore.
Hey, did that light just go out?
We did.
I've never seen it rain this hard, Dad. I've never seen it rain half this
It's
hard.
like Guatemala.
That's what I said. It's like a tropical
Look,
rain.
see? They're tiny. Yeah.
Some of them are good size, though.
They won't hurt your car, thank God. Look how many there are in your car.
Yeah, there's a bunch. You know, the size of them can grow at any second. Yeah, the wind is crazy. I've never seen this much rain. There's a ton of lightning. There's a ton of hail. Look, the hail's getting big now. It's been doing this for about 15 minutes straight. I'm running out of video. I didn't know it was going to be like this. This would have cleaned the driveway. Look at that. Look at that. That's flowing. Look at that. This doesn't show time. This shows how long I've been recording. Now look at our gutters. The side of our house is flowing. Wow. Some of those hails are big. Oh my God. This is insane. I've never seen it rain half this much. And it keeps coming down harder. And now there's big hail. Now there's some quarter-size hail. This is severe. Look at that hail. Look at the size of that one. That one's the size of a quarter. Look at that tree. Wow, look at him driving. He's in deep water. He's in like a foot of water, and we got good drains here. We're not in a flood zone. I imagine that the low-lying areas around the golf course, there's some people with water in their houses right now. Because we got flooding right here, and we're on a hill. Look at that. I think I'll put some trout right there. Unbelievable. This is easily the hardest I've ever seen it rain here in the Dallas area. Look at the water falling off their house. Wow, there's mud in the water. I've never seen that before either. It's raining so hard that the ground is washing out. I've never seen mud in the water like that here. Look at his gutter. Yeah. What?
How's the hail now?
It got bigger, and then it stopped.
Good damage to the car though, right?
No, but it got bigger. There was some that came down about the size of a quarter.
Some of those pieces are stopped.
Look, do you see mud in the water?
Yeah. That's because it's washing the yards out so fast
Mm-hmm.
that it started to tear soil.
Mm-hmm. Look at that river.
Yeah, we're getting what? 2 inches right now.
2 inches for 30 minutes or so.
Yeah. That's amazing. Look at that river right there.
That's the most I've ever seen it. I've seen water there before, but that's flowing big time. And I've never seen that dirt in the water before.
That plank came in just in time, didn't it?
I've never seen it rain like this.
You'll still come off the clear, didn't it?
They've got the gate closed now, don't you think?
Yeah. Yeah, this is when you close it, something like that.
It's closed all the way.
Yeah, because you got plenty of water downstream now.
Mm-hmm. Look at that.
He used to wreck his car.
He's driving in the middle of the road and he's still knocking up that much water.
Oh, it's going really fast.
Mm-hmm. Look, they've also got a river in their yard. Look at theirs.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, big time.
They're even bigger, probably.
Yeah.
They got the giant yard.
Mm-hmm.
See that kid on his bike down there.
He's gonna get hit by lightning. Yeah.
His score just got out. Sam, here comes another. Sam?
Yeah.
Some dirt in the car gonna spray the kid. With his wheel.
Yeah. A bike is the last thing you want to be on right now. It's solid metal.
Yeah. And you know I had to call, right?
Yeah. Hey.
I'll probably be hiding in my room.
Yeah. No.
Don't raise your voice when you walk in.
Where'd this guy move from? That guy.
I think he's texting me right.
So yeah, he's probably seen this before.
Yeah.
Actually, he may not have. I've never seen it rain this hard before.
This is a good one.
That was bright. That was really bright. Uh-huh. Yeah, I'm gonna upload this. The rainfall has slowed down a lot, but it's still raining very hard. I've still never seen it rain even this hard before. That was just insane earlier. Well, I'm going to go upload this. That's about it so far. Just some rain now. No hail.